All right, guys, here we go. Game on, break on. Sunday night eBay breaks. Welcome in, guys. My name is Chris. I'm one of the founders here at BomberBreaks.com, celebrating our 10th year. We're going to have a full 10 years here very soon, like next week, I think it is. Yeah, next week. Anyway, thanks for being part of the group here tonight. My name tomorrow is Artie. Artie's going to be bringing the boom for y'all tomorrow. So I got you guys on Sunday, Artie on Monday. I'll see you again on Wednesday and Friday in the afternoon, and we're also live Wednesday and Thursday night with Artie. We've got a couple of big Super Bowl super squares. If you've never played Super Bowl squares, it's a perfect time to do it. Get some cards and a chance to win some monster prizes. Mahomes, Burrow, Allen, Manning, Moss, Favre, Tomlinson, Trevor Lawrence, and Emmitt Smith. The key highlights in there on those mega mixers you can get in. We're going to break those on Friday. Tonight, our football guys, we got Spectra. We're doing a random filler now. So we've reduced the price, averaged it out, and here are all the teams you can get. So it's a random style break among those teams. And we also have the Sterling. We've got Impeccable. You can use the discount code on. You'll see that the code. It's actually the code is Squares 10. And XRs also it works on. And you guys got a few more breaks that you can see. So you guys are baseball collectors. Museum collection. All 30 teams are in. That's going to be a fresh case on Wednesday. Fresh case on the museum. All right. So let's see, man. It's time for the finest. So 3 boxes I have for you guys tonight. There they are. Ohtani on the front. Let's see if I can. I got an Ohtani redemption one night. All right, anyone here in the break, welcome. Sean, Jeffrey, Ryan, and Kelson for our first timers. Shout out to you guys. Thanks for joining. Hope to catch you all in another break soon. And, of course, everybody, good luck. May the boom be with you. If you're a Facebooker, check out, there's an email message that we sent to you that covers all the good stuff. Thanks for subscribing, guys. Appreciate the thumbs ups on the feed. And, hey, check it out. BomberBreaks.com is where you can get in all the good stuff. And make sure to follow us, too, guys, or subscribe if you haven't already. You can subscribe to us. And then you can chat and say, hey. So, anyway, hope all's well. You guys are doing great. Have a great weekend. And good luck. May the boom be with Sean A with the Diamondbacks, Orioles, White Sox, and the Giants. James P with the Braves, Reds, and the Phillies. I've got Speedo on the Red Sox here again tonight. I've got Kenneth H with the Cubbies, Guardians, Astros, Twins, Padres, Mariners. Jeffrey S. Welcome Man, Rockies, Dodgers, Marlins, Brewers, Mets, A's, Rangers, Blue Jays, and Nationals is what I have. Jeff, you with the Tigers, Brant with the Royals, Brant L. Ryan B. Welcome. Angels tonight. There you go, Ryan. He's the one looking right brown. Then Kelson C. Yankees. Appreciate you. Welcome. Roberto A. with the Pirates. Adam S. Cardinals. And Drew M. with the Rays tonight. All right, cool. Coming up next, guys, we got the Prism Draft, the brand new stuff. Very lucky to have it. The Ice Fest down south has been wreaking havoc on some product deliveries. We'll have a case, so we got our 4 boxes for tonight and tomorrow and Wednesday and Thursday at least. If you guys are members of our Facebook group, you'll also be given a heads up when we have discount codes and when 50 team breaks are listed and all kind of good fun stuff. We hope you tune in and enjoy. We got breaks live Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. All right, let's see what we can find. Chronicles left a little dust, so let's pick up some of that. There we go. All right, guys, we'll work quick, but not too quick. 3 boxes tonight, so let's see what is inside of them. Here we go. All right, Giancarlo. Used to be back. Oh, boy. Gold for the Chicago Cubs. Holy cow, Kenna. Ferguson Jenkins. 22 out of 50. Finest moments. Fergie Jenkins, 5-time top 3 vote recipient for the Cy Young Award winner. He won it in 1971, completing 30 games. Wow. Did y'all know he's from Canada? Holy cow. Me and Fergie used to have a few Molson Ice before the games when he wasn't pitching. All right, guys, there we go. Ramos rookie. Oh, Fergie. Monter, yeah. And a little rose gold mini diamond of Royce Lewis. Number 1 of 50. Nice little card for the Twins. Nice little card, Ken, for the Twins, too. There you go. Kirby. Shane Bass, rookie refractor. De La Cruz. Ohtani. J.D. Martinez. Detmer's rookie. We'll see, keep them all together, and then I'll sleeve them. Rivalry, a rookie. And an Order of Excellence. Juan Soto for Washington. And a boom, C.J. Abrams. 60 out of 150 for San Diego. Our Padres. Kenneth, you were on a run, man. On a tear so far. Early in the first box. Manning rookie. Garrett Cole refractor. And a Stott RC. The Hoppa. Oh, we got a redemption. Good luck, everybody. Redemption. Alec Thomas and Jose Miranda rookies. Behind Vladimir Guerrero Jr., the other card. Along with Fergie is a green auto. Finest autograph green refractor of... Is it Hunter Green? Yes, it is! I love it! Cincinnati Reds. Boom! James, it's a Hunter Green refractor. Yes, it is. I love it. A green. That'll do, huh? Fergie and Hunter. That's a good box. That is a good box. All right, Lodolo rookie. Bueller. Rookie again, refractor. It's Alec Thomas. 213 out of 250. Diamondbacks for Sean. Siri and Cabrera rookies. Chris Bryant refractor. And a Brandon Marsh rookie. Chapman kind of looks like David Wells for a minute, a skinny version. Torkelson rookie. Vidal Brujan and Trey Turner base. Andre Dawson aura and a Torkel fractor 134 of 175. All right, Tigers. Jeff, nice torque, man. Gore and our first Julio. Base rookie of J-Rod. Mariners for Ken, too. Vladdy at Cornerstone. George Springer refractor. I should double check. Make sure that I'm not misspeaking here. Because those high numbers are also refractors. The high numbers. And an autograph in the first pack we open in this second box. Matty V for the Philadelphia Phillies. Phillies spot goes to James. Matt Vierling, our third autograph of the night. I hope, Speedo. Come on, baby. Who else is in the set? Oh, got a Lodolo and an Oriole, another rose gold. This time it's a straight up rose gold. Cedric Mullins, 39 of 75, Baltimore. Orioles for Sean, nice. De La Cruz, rookie. Is Ortiz is in the set, isn't he? That'd be cool. Siri Cabrera, Melendez, rookie refractor. Detmers. Cornerstone, Freddie Freeman as a Dodger. Torque rookie, O'Neal Cruz, the Aura of Excellence insert. Rookie. And a light blue, Pete Alonso. The color of the polar bears in their original habitat, 233 out of 300 in blue. And a Stott. So the Mets. Jeffrey, congrats on yours. Oh, nice Jeremy Pena, refracting rookie card. Astros, part of Ken's group. Thomas and Miranda again. Collated together. Beer. And there is a Royal. Whitten Merrifield in green. Number to 99. 57 of 99. Merrifield. WHIT. So Brant, the Royals, not to be denied at least an autograph. Berger, Tim Anderson, and Ryan Mountcastle in purple. That's 91 of 250. Orioles again. Marsh rookie. Gonzo's on the fractor. Corbin Burns, refractor. And the Yaz, celebrating 1967. Finest year. Yaz for Boston. Gore and J-Rod. I bet that card is signed. There's another Julio. Maybe, oh, no, it's not. Oh, yeah, yeah. Boom. There it is, Speed. I missed it right at the beginning. Yeah, all right. There's some good. All right, come on. Got two more autos. A couple more tonight. Bobby Witt, rookie, and an Aura of Excellence, Wander Franco. And Christian Yelich. Boy, that pack started off strong. Yelly, 13 of 199. Lucky number 13 for the Brewers. Jeffrey's Brew Crew. Melendez, Ohtani Cornerstone. The insert. Salvador Perez, refractor. Well, if we keep the streak going, it'll be an autograph here. Let's see. Yeah. Mark Mulder. Oaktown! Boom! The Athletics. Jeffrey, that's cool. Mulder, 15 of 150. Mulder in blue. Some nice colors back there. We got gold, a green redemption. So it's light blue and then a base and then another green and a blue. All right, what else can we find? George Springer. Sleep fractor to 175. Sleep coming down in the background for the Blue Jays. Jeffrey, your Blue Jays. The beer. Joe Ryan, fractor. Smith Rook. Soto, Cornerstone, Ramos rookie. All right, Yaz Aura and Boston's Rafael Devers. There you go, Speedo. That's cool to 75. Loving that rose gold in the City Connect jersey. And a Bogarts Fractor. De La Cruz rookie. All right, guys. And autograph. Seattle's Kyle Seager. Mariners. Get some ink. Live ink. And Ken, you got him. So there it is. Autograph number 6 tonight. Going out to the Mariners spot. All right, still 5 packs to go. Come on, 101 something. Salvador Cornerstone and a Springer. 283 out of 300. Again, the Toronto Blue Jays. Lindor and Kwan. Royce Lewis, Refractor. Manolo Siri, Duran, Finest Rookies. Actually, that goes there in the rookie stack. All right, a Refractor. Bueller, Aura of Excellence. And a Padre, rookie, Mac Gore. 190 out of 250. Padres. Mr. Gore for Ken. Antonio Cruz and Josh Lowe. Altuve Cornerstones, Gavin Sheets, Refracting Rookie, Gray, and a Trouty. So Trouty and Ohtani. For my Angels owner, I'm going to put them together in a sleeve and protect those. All right, so let's do a quick recap. In our 3 boxes tonight, some of the key cards. The Cruz rookie base, Gore Refractor, Kwan, Springer, Devers, Springer, Ohtani, Yelly, Franco, Witt Jr., Rodriguez, the Yaz, Mountcastle, Alonso, Cruz, Mullins, J-Rod, Torque, Thomas, Abrams, and Royce. One Trout, one Ohtani in those boxes. A Jeremy Pena rookie refractor. And back here, our autographs tonight. Congrats to Seattle. Oaktown to 150. Merrifield for the Royals to 99. The Phillies hit 1. The Reds, a green, and a Fergie in gold. Out of 50, the finest moments. All right, so thank you so much, everyone. Congrats to those that hit them. We'll do Prism draft picks next. If you're taking off, keeping the fairways, my Uncle Bomber would say, and as they say in show business, that is a wrap.